How to make sentences for the given word lovely for different class like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or up to class 10. Look, lovely is an English word that is used as an adjective, right? Look, here is the sentences where I have used lovely as an adjective. The flowers in the garden smell lovely, absolutely lovely. After smell, we have used lovely. This is adjective, and absolutely is an adverb, and it is modifying the adjective lovely. After smell, we can use an adjective, right? And an adverb can modify an adjective. The flowers in the garden smell absolutely lovely. Here is the second sentence. He always gives his wife a lovely compliment every morning. Look, here compliment is a head word and lovely adjective is modifying the noun or head word compliment. A lovely compliment. Lovely means beautiful, attractive, right? That is in a positive sense. The sunset over the ocean looks so lovely today. Here, lovely, after looks, we can use adjective lovely, and so is an adverb here, and it is modifying the adjective lovely. Today is also an adverb which is modifying the verb looks. The little girl has a lovely smile that brightens up the room. Here, lovely means attractive, beautiful. We often take a walk in the park and enjoy the lovely scenery, beautiful scenery. The singer's voice sounds lovely. After sounds, we can use adjective. The singer's voice sounds lovely in this new song.